Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Okay, so nama saya Kelvin. Hari ini saya akan buat video kita pasang-pasang. Okay, so kita pasang toys Transformer. Okay, so ini adalah sambungan daripada video yang dulu kan. Dulu saya ada buat BLOKEES 01. Okay, yang Transformer tu. Okay, so kali ini yang kedua pula. So sebab saya ada dua kotak kan, so saya buka saya buka blind box BLOKEES Transformer 01 yang kedua. Okay, so kita tengoklah apa yang kita dapat. Macam mana kamu tahu? Sebab kamu dah baca lah title, okay, untuk video hari ini. Okay, so sebelum saya mulakan video saya, okay, saya nak ucapkan selamat pagi, selamat tengah hari, selamat petang dan selamat malam di mana sahaja anda tengok video saya. Okay, so sekejap saya pergi ambil. Okay, yang ini. Okay, ini adalah BLOKEES Transformer 01. Okay, iaitu rollout. Yang video lepas saya dah dapat apa tu, parole. Okay, bukan, kita dapat blue streak. Okay, blue streak, bukan parole, blue streak. Okay, so harap kita tak repeat. Okay, maksudnya tak dapat yang sama lah. So I hope so it's not a repeat one. Okay, so harap-harap lah dekat banyak-banyak ini 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 tens. Okay, ada dalam dia 10, harap-harap lah dia tak repeat. So kalau repeat, aloh, tak best lah. Okay, so saya harap kamu tengoklah video ni sampai habis. Okay, untuk saya pasang ni mungkin saya tak buat video ni laju-laju lah, sebab mungkin dia panjang lagi kan. Macam video yang lepas tu, video Happy Meal tu, 25 minit. Okay, so panjang sangat. So harap yang ini taklah panjang sangat macam video yang lepas. Okay, so yeah, without wasting any time, but before that, if you new to my channel, don't forget help me to grow up my channel by click the subscribe button here. Okay, give a like to this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, mana-mana yang minat Transformer, especially the new ones from BLOKEES. Okay, Transformer. This is the last one from 01. Okay, this is the last box because I have 2 box. This is the last one before next time I open the 02. Okay, okay. So, and last one, don't forget to click the bell for notification. Okay, so without wasting any time, let us unboxing this Galaxy version rollout 01 of Transformers from BLOKEES. Okay, yes, come. Okay, so inilah dia. Okay, kotak dia sama lah macam yang dulu tu. Okay, yang itu. Ini yang saya dah buka lah. Okay, itu dia. Okay, iaitu blue streak. Okay, so kita harap kita tak dapat duplicate lah. Okay, yang ini. Okay, jom kita buka. Sebab saya nak simpan kotak ni, kita buka bagus-bagus. Okay, yalah. Nanti kotak ni, kalau nak tahu mana siapa ni, saya minta lah ini. Okay, sekarang ni saya kekurangan 04. Okay, I don't have the 04. Itu saja yang tak ada. Okay, yang lain I have already. Okay, I have H2. Okay, so this is 03, 02, 05. I only have 1. So maybe next one I will get another one of 05. Okay, ini tak sini lah. Okay, so I already open it. Jom. What we get? Okay, okay, normal lah. Got 2 pack inside. Okay, this is the instruction. Okay, the manual book, but never mind. I don't want to see it. Okay, so we open this one lah. Okay, we open this one and we see what we get. Oh, this is the red color. So we go find the chest. Where is the chest? Don't have here. Like this. I think this one. Maybe. Or this one in front. What is this one? Okay. think this is the chest. Come, let's see. So this one is which one? Red color. Got like this. I think like this. Like this. This is the head. Not sure. What is this? Can you see? What is this? I think this one. Ironhide, because red leg. Yeah, red leg is Ironhide. Okay. Red leg. The leg is red color. So here don't have red color. So this is Ironhide. Okay. So this is Ironhide. Okay. I hope so. This is the body. Yeah, this is the body. Yeah. Okay. I zoom in. Okay, got cracked. Yeah, correct. So we get the Ironhide. Okay, this one. Oh, so thanks God it's not repeated, but not a secret. It's okay. Not secret. This is secret. Okay, it's okay. So Ironhide lah. Okay. So okay. This one. Yeah, correct lah. This one. Okay. So I will try to complete it first. After that, I view it to you how it look like. Okay, so we come back after this. Stay tuned. Okay, so yes, I done already. So this is what is this? I also forget. Mana ada tadi ah? So ini adalah Ironhide. So we already get Ironhide. So I take like 10 minutes to do it. Yeah, because some part I forget how to combine it. Okay. Yes. So sangat merah and very beautiful. Okay. So yes. Ya, ini ada pecah sikit ni. Tak tahulah, kena tikam dengan batu. Okay. So overall, yeah, I like this not much lah. I like this bit more than that one. Okay. So yes, finally I have 2 of it already from 01. So if I manage to find another one, the 01 roll out, so maybe I try to open it again. But I think most of the toy shop that I go already finished. Okay, now is only I can find is 05, this one. 04 also I cannot find it anymore. Maybe I need to get it online after this. But yes, this is 05 lah. The 02 I have already here, but next this is the next one, 02. But I try to get it next time. Okay, I will try to open it in the next video next time. Okay, so back to this one. Yes, so Ironhide. Yeah, I like it so much. Red in color. This is the one that become Optimus Prime left or right one. Okay, maybe mungkin orang yang kedua lah after Optimus Prime is Ironhide. After that we got Red Shirt. Okay, got Red Shirt here. Okay, Red Chat. Okay, yes, Red Chat is the ambulance one. I want to get this one, but it's okay. Never mind. So both of it are Autobot. Okay, so I don't manage to get the Mega, the what you call that, Decepticon. Okay, Decepticon only have 3 here. Is Megatron, Skyweb, and Thundercracker. The rest is 7 of it is, including the secret, is Autobot. Okay, so yeah. So what can I say? So it's not my luck to get at least one of the not Megatron, what you call it, Decepticon. Okay, so I hope next one here later, the 5 of it I can get a Decepticon. Yeah. Okay, so what do you think about this one? For me, it's very good. So how about you? Try to comment below. Okay, so tolong komen lah kalau kamu suka, komen lah. Okay, tapi bagi saya sangat cantik. Okay, so kita letak macam inilah. Here. Here. Okay, so it look very nice. Kenapa kotak ni pun sengit lah. Dekat sini macam ni. Okay, so Yeah, before I end out this video, sebelum saya akhiri video ni, macam biasa kita ada teaser untuk the next video. So the next video kita akan buka diecast pula, iaitu daripada Hot Wheels. So daripada the favorite one, okay? Okay, so next teaser nanti kita akan buat ni Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Godzilla warna kelabu. Okay, so yang ini saya ada dua. So satu saya akan loose-kan, dua-dua adalah short carded. So kenapa saya tak loose putih? Sebab putih saya ada hanya satu sahaja. Okay, so kalau saya dapat dua, nanti saya akan loose-kan lah. Masih mencari sekarang. Okay, so ini adalah next teaser. So kalau nak tengok, saksikan video next week, bukan next week, next video, okay? Okay, so itu saja untuk video kali ini tentang unboxing blind box daripada BLOKEES Transformer Galaxy version 01 rollout, okay? Cantik tak? Okay, so mana-mana yang baru dengan channel saya, jangan lupa klik subscribe button bawah ni, give a like to this video, share dengan kawan-kawan, mana-mana kawan yang minat Transformer, bolehlah, minat diecast pun boleh jugalah. So jangan lupa bell dekat atas ini untuk notification. Okay, so until we meet again in the next video, take care, stay safe, and bye. Wait, macam mana bunyinya?